In this video, we are going to learn different types of ellipse in the Solidworks. The first one is ellipse, and the second one is partial ellipse. The third one is parabola, and fourth one is conic. We will discuss all of them one by one. First of all, click the ellipse. The first click describes the length of the major axis. The second click describes the length of the minor axis. In this way, we can see that there are 4 points on the circumference of the ellipse. In order to make it fully defined, first of all, we describe the length of the minor axis, and after that we will describe the length of the major axis, and after that we will make relation with the center point of the ellipse and the origin, and after that we will make ellipse horizontal. Now we can see that the ellipse is fully defined. Now let's talk about the second category, which is nothing but partial ellipse. The first click describes the length of the major axis. The second click describes the length of the minor axis, and the third click describes the angle and the direction of the ellipse. In this way, we can define this ellipse in a similar manner as that of the previous. Now the third category is the parabola. The first click describes the focus of the ellipse, and the second click describes whether the parabola is horizontal or vertical, and the third click describes the start point of the parabola, and the fourth click describes the end point of the parabola. Now the fourth category is conic. In order to draw the conic, first click for the first time, and after that drag for some distance and make the second click and drag it for some distance, and now make it the third click, and after that make the final click. In this manner we can draw conic. We can describe or specify the distance between these 2 points in this manner, or we can apply any relation between these 2 points. For example, we can make it vertical, and we can apply many relations to them in order to make it fully defined.